Hey there, Tiago. We're just going to go through something here real quick. See if we can get the derived part going on here. So if we create a new part, and we'll just make a quick little feature here. Okay, so save that one as derive one. So then we'll create a new part, and derive. So once you bring it in, and you'll just click on this little guy. You'll notice that the sketches aren't here. So if we actually go into the original one and then make this visible and derive it then you'll notice that it's now available to include. We'll make this a work body surface. So now you just have a surface body. Now if we create a sketch on the outside here and project the geometry, let's say of these and offset. Okay. So you'll see that solid's on, the sketch is on, so we'll turn the visibility of that off and visibility of that off. So make a new assembly. Place. So this moves around, this moves around. Here we are, ground and root. So it says grounded origin, okay. Just throws it in, do the same thing. So now they're both in the same place. Look at the origin, goes through the part based on the derived part. So the origin stays at the original point, which is there when it's located. So this one has an origin at that same point. So the center point is actually the same. So I think that's what you're asking. But when it comes in, it's like that. So then you can come to your drive 2, turn visibility off of here, come back to your assembly. Now they're in line. So furthermore, if we come into here, so then they update in place.